Today is a day that my sister has been dreading.
We're back!
So, today, why are the kids awake already? I can hear those kids outside. Today, I'm baking a cake, and it's my first time doing so. I don't know what else to say, so I'm just gonna get straight in it. This is normal. This is normal. This is very normal. Why would I use the sponge to wash my hands? So first, I'm gonna put the eggs, since I don't know how to crack eggs, and if I get the eggshells in there, I could just... My sister knows how to crack eggs, but I don't want to wake her up, so I'll figure it out. It says 3 eggs. Oh wait, I gotta get the whisk. Where's the whisk? Oh, there it is. The Nightmare Before Christmas. I should wash this. Alright, we're good. How do you crack an eggshell? Wait, I'm scared. Guys, I literally... I don't... And there's an eggshell. It's okay. Attempt number 2. Second egg. Perfect! Got egg glue all over my hand. That was better. And the 3rd egg. Ooh, that was perfect. Make sure there's no egg whites. I mean... one cup of water, half cup vegetable oil. Let's do the water first. Vegetable oil first. We don't have a measuring cup, because either me or my sister broke it. Not on purpose, obviously. It was an accident. We broke it, so... This is similar to a measuring cup, so... Half cup vinegar. What the heck? Oh, that'd be like, I got this. This is hard. I have no strength. Just a little more. We're gonna need more vinegar after this. There. Oh, that's heavy. I'm not lifting that. And now, the cake mix. Oh, 2024. Ooh, it said Best Buy 07 June 2024. And I thought I said, yeah, like I didn't see the year. And so I was like, oh no. This is very awkward. This is not what I had in mind. I'm so tired. It's so early. I woke up at like 6:50 Yeah, no, I did wake up at 6:50. And I got in the shower 7:40 or 35. I don't know. I think 7:37. And now it's, I don't know, o'clock. Oh wait, 8:28. Wow. Cut the top, right? My head isn't even. And then it says whisk for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna just put all the cake mix. Smells good. It's white, which I think is just vanilla. So early, 8:25 a.m. It's okay. And then whisk. Wait, how does it say to whisk? Beat vigorously? I don't know what that means, like aggressively. I think I would just whisk it till the consistency looks nice. So, I'm going to the Twice concert next month. I'm doing like kind of the split so that y'all can see me. This is hard. My hand already hurts. It's okay. I could do it. I could do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that good? Just a little more. Literally last night, I had in mind 1,000 of things to say on camera, but now I've forgotten them. And so, oh wow, that's good. I think, yeah, that's a good consistency. Oh my god, you know what I forgot to do? Preheat the oven. What was it? 350 degrees for shiny metal or glass pan. 325 for non-stick pan. Grease bottom only. My dad said it would be fine, cause that's the wrong pan. My dad said it would be fine with just, oh my god, he's calling me right now. I forgot to preheat the oven, and I had forgotten to take the stuff out of the oven. We had like pots and pans and stuff, and I forgot to take it out. But now I'm gonna preheat the oven, so. Okay, it's gonna take 6 minutes. I'll start pouring this. That's not even halfway. I'm like professional. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's good cake batter. Is it okay to eat cake batter? I don't think so, but I don't care. Sad thing though, there's a sad thing about this all. We only have one glove. So, and this glove is like destroyed. So I'm gonna have to go in with one hand. Icing, I got some icing, some decorating icing, pink and white. I should have gotten a black too, but it's fine. I could improvise with the, what is this called? Frosting? Chocolate. I can improvise. I'm trying to stall. When I get the cake, oh my god, wait, I'm gonna need a timer. My tiny iPhone is charged. I'll put 32 minutes. Update. Don't update now. Right now? You serious? I'm gonna get my Chromebook. Such bad timing. Why would you update? There's no need to update. Minute alarm. And it's ready. Alright, guys. Oh my god, it's hot. Oh, guys. My camera stopped out of nowhere. Cause this phone has bad timing. There goes our 32-minute. Oh my god, you can't even see me. Alright, guys. Here we go. Is it inverted? Yeah, that's inverted. So first things first, I'm gonna wash the dishes. I had to delete several things for storage space, so I got cut off mid-sentence. I don't even remember what I was saying, because I was just deleting stuff right now. But I got interrupted mid-sentence. So rude. I have to wash. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention I just got out of the shower. So that's why my hair looks very funky. I'm going to prepare the table for the icing. But it will be a while before I start icing. So I'm gonna stop recording so that I don't waste too much storage space. That way I could get the whole icing process and then also me tasting it and probably my this isn't even where our room is. My sister tasting it. Okay, so I just put a toothpick through the cake and it's nowhere near done yet. And there's still 9 minutes, but it might take a while. So we'll see. Might need to add some more time. You could tell it wasn't finished because it was kind of jiggly. We still have 8 minutes on the clock. There's my hair. I got out of the shower like 40 minutes ago. So I'm gonna check again and check out the consistency. I'm gonna use the same toothpick. I cleaned it. It's about to be burning hot. Oh! It's gonna need more time. It's so hot though. It's so hot. Oh my gosh. I'll put 5-minute timer. And if it's still not ready by then, 5 more minutes. That scared me. But like, look, I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you it. I don't want my phone to get too hot and overheat. Not trying to blow up. Not trying to blow up. I'm watching Hannah's last video right now. Her last video for a while. I'm gonna use a different toothpick. Frick. Not yet. I'm okay. See? I'm okay. My forehead's so greasy. In 15 minutes. I'm so tired. My feet hurt. And I want to have this video done by June 24th. Today's June 20. So, yeah. And I bought the cake stuff Friday, which was when I went to Burger King. It's Tuesday. I only have one glove. Got a clear plate that I could put the cake on. If the cake cracks or breaks, whatever, I'm going to cry. Should I go in with a knife or... I think a knife is the most reasonable? No. Okay, is this hot? Kind of. It's not that hot. It's stuck. But I think for my first time doing it alone, I'm doing pretty good. I'm gonna put the frosting on it. No, I'm gonna put it in the freezer. It's cooler now. I gotta pull out this wax. I can flip this over, right? Yeah, hold on. Hold on, guys. It's ripping! Oh my god. I was so crying. Oh my god, no. No. Guys, we can't do that. It's gonna rip. It's going to rip, so we're just gonna leave the wax paper on the bottom. I don't know if it's edible. I'm gonna have to take that off when I eat it. Ooh, this is fresh! So chocolatey though. I'm gonna put one layer on it right now. Just one to get the... The bread is crumbling so badly. Coming for you in the fast lane. Put the pedal to the floor. You pull up in a Lambo. So I had a dream about... What have I dreamt about? Guys, I'm thinking, hold on. There was this one dream I had a while ago where I ran into twice at Walmart. I was with my cousin and we ran into them and I was like, I don't remember which members it was. Did that even make sense? I don't know. I don't remember which members it... I don't know. I don't... okay, whatever. It's crumbling. This is what crumble cookie is like. This is crumble cookie cake version. I'm kind of sleepy. I want to cry right now. There are like several albums I want to buy, but I gotta save up money, you know? Cause I could buy those albums when I'm in at the Twice concert. Am I going to vlog? Obviously. If you had to interact with me in 2020, I am so sorry. If you have to interact with me beyond 2020, I am so expeditiously sorry. I don't know what I was saying for half of this video. I don't even know if expeditiously is a word. I think I was trying to say exponentially. No. exponents.
Exponents. You were trying to say exponents.
Exponential. I was gone. Expeditiously. I was expeditiously out of it. The whole video. Exponentially. Yeah, exponentially. I think that's what I meant. I think I'm gonna outline in white. Just remember how good this looks right now. Remember how good this looks. I hope I have enough. If I don't have it, what's this? I thought it was gonna be sharp. Why is it like this? Should I cut first? Yeah. Let's put the frosting in here first. I've seen better. Guys, I've seen much better. I have seen far much better. I'm gonna make the hearts. I mean, yeah, the flowers. Nice. I'm done, and I think it's cute. And so this is what it looks like. It's so cute. I'm gonna cut myself a slice. I'm gonna try to show it without dropping it though. Look. It's time to taste it. I'm almost out of storage space, so I gotta do this really quickly. I'm eating half of Sunoo's face. So let's go. Cake baked by me. Yours truly. Look at that. It's so nice. This is good. I should bake cakes more often. Did I eat his face? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow my social medias. Thank you for watching. Bye.